My journey to become an attorney started very young. My dad had decided to go back to law school. He attended law school at night while working. This was like a third career for my dad. He had been a teacher, a principal, an engineer, and to this day I remember on a weekend going with my dad to help him search for his first office. I just thought, at a young age, how cool it was to have your own business and your own law firm, and that he was going to be helping people. It just spoke to me, and I knew right away, all right, this is what I want to do. From then on, I worked with my dad. I really took pride in it, and I was proud to work with my dad. That was what was important to me. It's the fruition of a lot of work and of the goal of my grandparents to make sure that their children are able to do a little bit better and help provide for them. My grandparents on my father's side came from Italy. They were both high school graduates, but they didn't have the opportunity to go to college. And when my dad did, and then later on when my brother and I did, they always really also hammered home, especially my grandfather, that your one goal in life shouldn't be your GPA, shouldn't be some piece of paper, but has to be that you leave the world a little bit better than you found it. And if that's what you're able to do in your lifetime, you've succeeded. It's just about giving back. And we really just like to be out there in the community, meeting people, interacting with people, and helping to make their lives a little bit easier. What I love best is interacting with the clients. You get to hear someone's story, hear their life, and my job is to work for you to have the best outcome for your case. I think the most important way to empathize with a client is listen. It's our job to educate our clients. That means explaining them the steps that we're taking, explaining the law as it pertains to their case, explaining how their decisions matter. We'll do that and we'll make the time. And you're gonna have a whole team working behind the scenes to push the case forward. I have a real model, which is my dad, and I got to see him and how he interacted with clients, always respectful, always listening to them, always advocating in court zealously for them. My goal is to emulate that and to have his legacy live on through my practice of law.